Hello guys, it's a wonderful day. I want you all to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today we're going to do a review of Little Vybz and Vybz Kartel's new song. It's going crazy, okay? It's called Disgrace and it's anything but that. Okay, by the sound of that instrumental, you can tell it's going to be a very tough beat.
Yeah. Rari drifting on me insane. Gal want fuck me say bitch weird. Fuck it and cut me never sincere.
Okay, so he's saying Rari bitches wanna he's asking where. So he refers to her as a bitch to refer to her, as the dog that she is. Not saying that she's a literal dog, but you can't treat these women like puppies, man, or like kittens, man. Then he says, fuck it and cut, never sincere. He's referring to that classic style where you have to leave immediately after, we don't do that spooning shot. Spooning is for soup and ice cream and stuff.
On her face and she use it like skincare. If I never shave, then me bring near. Straight vibes from come in no drink beer.
So here he says, come from her face, she uses it as a skincare. So he's referring to how that thing is probably good for her skin. And then it says, if she never shaves, he brings near. So for you to bring something, you have to come close to it. So you have to come to it, come forward with it. So he's basically saying he came with it, and he probably came near. He came in the hair to show that he's not too picky.
Travel with her shoes, dog, which pair? Shot him in her face, come it, dog, them no trim ear.
So I think he said something about a fresh pair of shoes, and we all know what shoes are. Shoes are meant to be, beaten. And I'm a size 9 personally, and he's asking which pair. So he's got a lot of shoes. Go in his home right now, you probably will see a lot of shoes lying off. Not being an informer or pocket watching.
Disgrace. 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 Yo, Waterford, put more, yo, face.
So here he's clearly repeating the word disgrace, which is what he's brought up upon himself. As you can see in the video where his own lyrics is driving to the state of insanity. So, as you can see in the video, he's going crazy.
Girl, you a wife up, me been there. You want her for yourself, but you still share. A summer roll like a wheelchair when me.
So he's clearly stating here that, you want her for your wife, but she still shares. Because, giving is caring and caring is giving. That panache has to share, and it cannot be for you only. It has to share with the Gaza boss. He's the little boss. And then he proceeds to say, so he rolls like a wheelchair, and we all know wheelchair doesn't walk, it rolls.
Yeah, your competition that me know so life no feel fair. Carry belly like a bitch in her pink ear. So me know you lean, but me straighter than a T-square.
Then he proceeds to make the comparison of carrying belly for men like the pregnancy that a woman occupies during 9 months.
Einstein equation E equal MC square. Likkle Vybz, I tell you one more, you listen real clear.
Okay, so here is where he points out Albert Einstein, that he's clearly a lyrical genius and he's the teacher. So he's getting Little Vybz now ready to teach him how to contain his lyrical capacity. He's gonna show him how to do it.
Gal fuck me for spite and a mistake. Ice just a freeze, damn me watch like my wrist break. 220 pan the dash dog which break. Suck off my balls, gal is sweet like his cake.
He was doing fine earlier, but he obviously came back with a digression with the teachings of his father. His lyrics are more sharper here. Girls suck off the balls like his cake. Bitch please, fuck here. So, it's clearly that he's going through that sexual healing, and, he's gonna come out on top.
Better than who, which year, that which date. Better than who, which parish, that which state.
This is one of my favorite lines in the song. It says, better than who, which part, which place, better than who, which year, which state. It's very word playing here. It's spectacular.
Better than flu, this first than 6 days. Shut up past through, him shirt and rib cage. Disgrace.
So he's saying this is better than flu, worse than 6 days. He's, his badness, it's not like common cold. This will knock you down for good. And then he's back again with disgrace, which is what his lyrical ability has brought upon himself. Now, we're gonna do a next video, guys. Subscribe, hit that like button, subscribe and share. See you next time. Yep.